Hello, and this is the installation plate for other wall, and we need to fix each other wall, and this is a plastic plate for the screw, and the screw will be fixed in it. And here are 4 screw holes, and after fix this plate on the wall, we will fix the box. Fix the box. Here are also 4 screws. Fix the box with the plate. And after we fix these screws, and we can put the key box in it and fix it with our Reeboks. Here also we can see 4 screw hole. Here we can fix the key box and the Reeboks. But the first screws also. Fixed. Then this is the key box here. Until you work like this.
打开的时候它会亮，但是我这个是没功能的，没装电池。打开的时候这里会亮。
When the Reeboks is opened and the keypad will be light.
整个这些键盘都会亮起来。